Today we're here at IKEA. You can't lie down in them anymore. You can't test it out. So like, do I need it? No. But do I want it? Yes. Imagine me living here. I want to live here. Ready and action. Toast to the groom. Okay, bye. Okay, we're home now, and I'm gonna do a haul of things that I got at IKEA. Let's take a look. So this first thing I got is this pillowcase. It's just a neutral. On camera, it's not really like the color that it actually is, but it's more like a purpley brown. You'll see when I put my bed together, but it's a pillowcase. Then we have, got this from the as is section for $1. And it's just like, I don't know, like a wooden toothbrush holder. You can put a plant in it. We got one of these throw blankets. It was $10, not bad. This is the Ingram. It's just like a cream throw. Have this at the bottom of my bed. And these are the curtains I got. Oh my god, don't lift my feet. These ones. So I was debating between a gray color and a white, and then ultimately decided on the white, even though these probably won't block as much sunlight. But I don't know, I feel like I'll be able to use them more in the future, because that's, I don't know, my palette. I vibe with white. I'm basic, okay? We also got, so these are to hang up the curtains, and I also got a curtain rod. And lastly, we got a new like pillow comforter set. It's this light pink, and this is the vibe right now, and I'm really digging it. Hope it looks good. Okay, I'm gonna go put this on. After about an hour or so, we finally got the curtains up. Yay! Yay! I'm sorry I'm whispering, it's just weird to like vlog. My family's just out there. But yeah, the curtains are up and I'm happy. Hi guys, so it's been a couple days since I last talked to you, and that's just because I was getting some finishing pieces. For the other side of my room, I'm still working on. I'm not completely happy with it yet, so hopefully I'll have another video to show you guys in the future for a full room tour. But for now, I hope you enjoy the clips of my finished one side of my room. Bye.
Passenger seat. We can drive around to the sky and see meat.
And that's the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Like and subscribe. See you whenever I decide to post a video next.